Hello and welcome. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. My name is Deborah Brennan, and this video is for Education 703 at Liberty University. Today I'll be briefly discussing Maria Montessori and her educational philosophy and theory. We'll begin with the background and cultural context. Montessori was born in 1870, and at the time, the educational system consisted of rote education, of memorization, dictation, and recitation. And there were extreme gender biases existing in the culture at the time. Maria was the first woman to graduate with a medical degree from Rome School of Medicine. As we look at her philosophy of education, we notice that Montessori was interested in the social, emotional, and cognitive education of the children. And she approached her education through hands-on didactic learning materials where the children were able to self-select these activities. As we discuss the educational theory to practice, we look at the classroom around in the theory. The classroom was specifically designed for children. The furniture was small enough that the children could rearrange themselves with little or no help from the adults. The adults' role was to carefully observe the children and for their stages of development, and to be aware of sensitive periods when the children were ready to learn more difficult concepts. Because of this, the curriculum was individually paced. Because of this individually paced curriculum, it gives us a unique perspective on diversity. There are many inclusive elements embedded within the Montessori philosophy. And within the American public Montessori schools, research shows that there's a very similar percentage of non-white enrolled students as compared to American traditional public schools. When those numbers are factored for socioeconomic reasons, we find that the American public Montessori schools enroll a slightly smaller percentage of non-white students than American traditional public schools do. As we move to the analysis section of the Montessori philosophy of education, we see that Montessori's philosophy is based on her understanding of science and pedagogy. The research indicates that students educated with a Montessori education have advanced student achievement in areas such as social development, creative writing, and other academic pursuits. One of the downsides of the Montessori method is the limited access that we have to public Montessori options. In the United States, fewer than 10% of the Montessori schools are public Montessori schools. That adds the element of tuition and affordability to the who can enroll their children in this method. I hope that you learned a little bit about Montessori today and that you enjoyed my lesson. I look forward to listening to all of yours, and I hope you have a great day.